Welcome to Basic Science class. Look at the pictures. What are lovely pictures. Do you like birds? I know everyone likes birds because of their cute look and colorful feathers. Bird watching is a good and informative hobby. You may remember the story of Srimati Sugathakumari teacher in your Malayalam second text. Okay, write short notes about the birds that you observed. It will be very informative. Which are the points that should be included in our brief notes? These are the points taken care of. List out the birds that you know. It may include crow, pigeon, parrot, crow pheasant, myna, crane, cuckoo, eagle, owl, sparrow, etc. Some birds came to our place as guests. They are called migratory birds. Kadalundi, Tattekadu and Kumaragam are places in Kerala visited by many migratory birds. Try to read articles about Dr. Salim Ali, the birdman of India, and Indu Chudan, who is a Keralite, write several books on bird watching, who are famous scientists in the field of ornithology, that is, science deals with the birds. We know that birds produce their young ones through laying eggs. Do birds alone lay eggs? No. Insects like ants, houseflies, mosquitoes are laying eggs. Fishes like sardine, mackerel, etc. also lay eggs. Then the reptiles like crocodile, snake, lizard, they also lay eggs. Amphibians like frog, salamander, etc. lay eggs. So in short, insects, fishes, amphibians, reptiles and birds are produce their young ones through laying eggs. These organisms that lay eggs are called oviparous animals. So oviparous animals means the organisms that lay eggs are called oviparous animals. In certain animals, the young ones hatching out of the eggs do not resemble their parents. This is a process called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is the process by which young ones in the larva stage develop into organisms similar to their parents through different stages of growth. So the younger ones does not resemble the parents, but they goes through or passes through different stages of growth and at last become adult one. So this process is called metamorphosis. Which are the organisms that exhibits metamorphosis? You know the frog. Frog firstly become tadpoles. Then it becomes the frog. Right? The frog, mosquito, housefly, dragonfly, butterfly, honeybees, these are all exhibits metamorphosis. Did you see? Most of the members are insects. So mainly insects shows metamorphosis. Most of the leaf-eating worms that we destroy are the young ones of butterflies. We destroy many of them without realizing it. This leads to the extinction of these organisms. Butterflies lays eggs on particular plants. By planting these plants, we can attract them. Calotropis, curry leaf plant, citrus are examples. In addition to these plants, butterflies needs water resources like small ponds, flowering plants, muddy places for their existence. Like the butterfly, sea turtle is another organism which faces the threat of extinction. The sea turtle lays eggs on the sand near to the sea. Many organizations in Kerala works towards its protection because the human beings are the causes for its extinction. We discussed about insects, birds, amphibians and fishes. They lay eggs and called oviparous animals. Then what about other animals like cow, dog, etc.? They will give birth to young ones. They are called mammals because mammals are creatures which give birth to young ones and feed them milk. Mammals have hairs on the body. Their special features include presence of pinna in the ear, that means outer ear. Bat is called as flying mammal. Flying mammal is bat. Bat resembles birds, but it give birth to young ones and feed them with the milk. Platypus and echidna are exceptions because they are egg-laying mammals. They also feed their young ones milk, but they lay eggs only, do not give birth to young ones. Now let's discuss about the corals. Corals are so beautiful, appears like a garden under the sea. These are so colorful. Corals give shelter for many creatures, that it helps to control sea turbulence at an extent. These corals are also facing the threat of extinction. Industrial effluents and chemicals are the reasons behind it. So all these activities of human are causing threat to the biodiversity, that is the diverse existence of diverse organisms in the world. Many human activities adversely affect the existence of many organisms. Thus biodiversity should be protected, otherwise our existence also will be in threat, will be in trouble. So that's for this chapter. Read the chapter carefully. There are many interesting facts pointed in the or placed in the boxes. So you should read it carefully and understand the biodiversity of Earth. Okay, complete the illustration given in page number 127. This is an activity for you. Only one activity, that is complete the illustration given in page number 127. Okay.